G'day guys, this will be part 3 of the coil rebuild. And yeah, I really wanted to finish it off in a particular way, but I haven't got the thin version of this stuff. This is the thick version. It looks like thin bits glued together. I don't know if it is or it's made like that. I think it's made like that. But I really wanted to put it on top. I've got everything to go, ready to go. So what I might actually do, because I don't want this carbon to rub on the coil shell. So I've got this stuff here. This is a plastering bandage, and it's a new roll too. I had another roll kicking around, but we'll get it off. Yeah, this has got a sticky, tacky side. I'm just going to tack this on top of the carbon just to protect it from rub throughs. It'll work. It's like a fiberglass woven mat. It's quite good actually. If I can actually get it to unstick. They got bits of fiberglass through it. Jesus Christ. Hang on a second. Let's have a look at this. How they got this. That's the start of it. It's got an arrow there. I can't find the start of this stuff. I'm feeling it all over. Here somewhere. Here, maybe. Oh, here. My God, it's hidden well. But I'll show you. I'm just going to show you a few things about this. There we go. I got lucky they put the tape there. This it's tacky bandage, and oops, it's not that tacky. It's made to go on plasterboard wall, but it's really good for making calls if you want to protect something or strengthen something up. First of all, let's get this bit here. This is the business end. As you can see, that doesn't need to be painted in here. I've done the tape on the outside. I've done 2 layers of tape on here. One is connected halfway down and painted. The other one fully overlaps, and that's on the bottom of the coil, fully overlaps. I've actually tacked it with extra paint around the edge. So as long as that touches this, we're in business. There's nothing wrong about that. I had to trim these parts of the coil wires down, and you can see how much solder I've put on those. I redid it because it was just soldered to the woozy. It was just too much. So, a couple of millimeters, and I've done that in a particular way that I know every strand is soldered. It's nothing wrong with that. Worked perfectly. Strong, nothing wrong. Now, rather than running around trying to find grommets and re-drilling the top part of the coil shell, I have to find it down here. Where are you? Okay, I got the cable ready to go, as you can see on that. Oh, there we are. I've redone that. Fairly short, could be shorter, but that's good enough. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to reuse the cable gland. What I've done is I'll show you how to reduce the compression if you want to use it. I don't really recommend using it, but if you get a pair of side cutters, which are buried here somewhere, obviously they will be under something somewhere. No, are they on the floor? No, they're on the bench. Hang on a sec. I've got to do the stand up and do the visuals on it again, and so I can see it. Okay, definitely not there. It's not jumped up and sat on it. Multimeter, we can get rid of that over there, and that can go over there. That can go there. Still, oh, it's right in front of my face. It's amazing. Blue on that blue mat, you can't see them. Anyway, that thing there, I've popped the grommet out of there. There's a little rubber grommet, and that's disappeared too, but I don't care. You can go in, doesn't have to go in. But where these little plastic fingers are, they push down when this bit here goes on, because it's conical. It squishes that hard into the cable. This is what I do. I get in here, get the cutters in there, and cut them half down. Just cut them off. You don't want that if you're going to go back to the same system. Okay, give it a nice haircut. Is it can't tighten down on it and crush it and destroy your cable. So that's what I've done to that. If you can see that, I've just cut it down. And somewhere here, I know it was in the corner of the bench, as everything always happens at once here, and it's totally unorganized sometimes. Well, it's just a lot of work happens, and it just goes everywhere. There's nothing much I can do about it, except if I slowed down and stopped and cleaned up the bench between every job, every video, I'd never get anything done. I'd spend all my life Sadie the cleaning lady. So that's off the other coil. But yeah, I had it here. It's disappeared. It's here somewhere. I just cannot see it. I did place it about here, and I don't know why. It's grown legs and it's walked off the bench. I don't need that. I just look and see if it's stuck to something, and it's not 100% necessary, really, not for what I'm doing. And I don't detect in the rain, and I do not detect in puddles. So you've got to remember, when you do this, don't forget, if you've got the coil connector already on, don't forget to put all your bits on, or else you're going to be taking that off to get everything on, which is a pain. So you get your cable and you go, well, I know that's got to go onto this, so we'll stick that in there, and that is awfully tight. God, that is tight. Why is it so tight? Oh, dear me. Everything is tight. That's unscrewing that. Yeah, it's catching. Oh, dear me. That is ridiculously tight. Okay, try again. Hang on a sec. I should have got my can of. My God, that is ridiculously tight. I don't know why that is. It came off easy. I think if I grabbed a different cable, I may have grabbed a different cable. Hang on a sec. This is when you want to make a short video and it goes for ages. No, I'll stop this video. I'll start again.